Thank you very much. I'm Rachel Ofer, and I'm very happy to be here at the meeting of the Chinese-Jewish Conversation at Yeshiva University. I want to thank Professor Mordechai Cohen for inviting me to speak here and for everything else. My topic is Because Man is a Tree of the Field, from the Bible to modern Israeli poetry and art. The poem, Because Man is a Tree of the Field, by the poet Natan Zach, is one of the most well-known and beloved Hebrew poems. The poet Natan Zach is one of the greatest poets of modern Hebrew poetry. He first published this poem in 1974. The poem was composed by Shalom Hanoch in 1983, and the poem received various musical performances, which made it more popular and more beloved. I want to read the poem. I will read it in Hebrew. You have in your handouts the poem in English. כי האדם עץ השדה, כי האדם עץ השדה, כמו האדם גם העץ צומח, כמו העץ האדם נגדע, ואני לא יודע איפה הייתי ואיפה אהיה, כמו עץ השדה. כי האדם עץ השדה, כמו עץ השדה הוא שואף למעלה, כמו האדם הוא נשרף באש, ואני לא יודע איפה הייתי ואיפה אהיה, כמו עץ השדה. כי האדם, כמו עץ השדה, הוא צמא למים, כמו האדם הוא נשאר צמא. ואני לא יודע איפה הייתי ואיפה אהיה, כמו עץ השדה. אהבתי וגם שנאתי, טעמתי מזה ומזה. קברו אותי בחלקה של עפר, ומר לי בפה, כמו עץ השדה, כמו עץ השדה. The poem is based on the biblical verse from Deuteronomy, which deals with the law of war. The Bible explains that trees must not be damaged during the war. When the soldiers fight against the enemy, they must not destroy the trees in their territory. I will read the verse. כי תצור על עיר ימים רבים להילחם עליה לתופסה, לא תשחית את עצה, לנדוח עליו גרזן. כי ממנו תאכל ואותו לא תכרות, כי האדם עץ השדה, לבוא מפניך במצור. This poem is played in Israeli media, mainly in memorial days and in war contexts. The phrase, because man is a tree of the field, is in his original context appears as a kind of rhetorical question. It means man is not like the field tree. Unlike human being, the trees does not participate in war, so why should you destroy them? According to Rashi's commentary, the tree is not our enemy, therefore it must not be corrupted. However, in Natan Zach's poem, the verse, because man is a tree of the field, is interpreted not as a question, but as a statement, as a kind of declaration. And its meaning is reversed. Man is similar to the field tree. And you can say, like the tree, man is also planted, and he makes seeds and fruits. Natan Zach's poem expresses the fragility and temporality of life. Many poets and painters have tried to illustrate in their works the idea that trees and planets serves as a reflection of human life. The painter Anna Ticho one of the most important artists in Israeli art, often painted trees, especially olive trees. Like Natan Zach's poem, Anna Ticho's painting of the olive tree expresses the notion that man is like a field tree. The personification of the olive tree, as you can see in these pictures, in this picture and in some more of her pictures, the personification of the olive trees highlights the deep connection between man and nature. And by the way, in Jerusalem, there is a beautiful museum, which was the house of Anna Tichos and her husband, who was a very well-known doctor, eye doctor in Jerusalem. And I really recommend, if you come to Israel, to visit that museum. And also there is a cafe there with a very special atmosphere. So you should visit there too. Both in Anna Ticho's picture and in Natan Zach's poem, nature raises feelings about the meaning of life and death. The description of race, roots, and leaves raise thoughts about the meaning of human life and the obligation of humans to protect nature. You can see some more of her pictures. She loved to paint the views in Jerusalem. And these are some more pictures. This is by Eti Ben Yaakov, and you can also see the connection between nature and human beings. This picture is by Avigdor Aricha. In conclusion, I would like to express hope and prayer that humans will learn to protect the environment and overcome the various dangers facing humanity, such as the coronavirus. Maybe we can hear now the song, the song, where's the connection?
כי האדם עץ השדה כמו האדם גם העץ צומח כמו העץ האדם נגדע ואני לא יודע איפה הייתי ואיפה אהיה כמו עץ השדה כי האדם עץ השדה כמו העץ הוא שואף למעלה כמו האדם הוא נשרף באש ואני לא יודע איפה הייתי ואיפה אהיה כמו עץ השדה אהבתי וגם שנאתי טעמתי מזה ומזה קברו אותי בחלקה של עפר ומה לי בפה כמו עץ השדה כמו עץ השדה כי האדם עץ השדה כמו העץ הוא צמא למים כמו האדם הוא נשאר צמא ואני עץ השדה. אהבתי וגם שנאתי, טעמתי מזה ומזה, קבעו אותי בחלקה של עפר, ומר לי בפה כמו עץ השדה, כמו עץ השדה. כי האדם עץ השדה. כי האדם עץ השדה. עץ השדה.